sound vocabulary: watching, lunch, right, artichoke, kitchen, chosen, spinach, chicken, chocolate, wheat, mud, red, cheese, cheddar. Conversation. Hello everyone, you're watching Lunch with a Chef. Today Richard, the chef at Artichoke Cafe. We will be making lunch in our kitchen. Welcome Rachel. Rachel, thank you Charles. For lunch today, Rachel will make 3 dishes from her restaurant, Artichoke Cafe. Rachel, tell us about the dish you've chosen for the sound. Well, Charles, I'll be making spinach and artichoke dip, stuffed artichoke and chicken with artichokes. Naturally, I guess artichokes are your favorite food. Actually, my favorite food is chocolate, but artichokes are my favorite vegetable. So, Rachel, which dish will you start with? The spinach and artichoke dip. What goes into that besides spinach and artichokes, of course? What makes your dip so rich and creamy? Well, as you mixed of cream, of cheese, and cheddar cheese. Interesting anything else? Yes, some chili pepper, either a fresh chili or chili powder. How much chili powder? Oh, not too much chili powder, just a pinch. It sounds delicious. We'll be part after the commercial with 2 more special dishes from Artichoke Cafe. Exercise. I love watching the dog whispers sound. I love watching the dog whisper sound because I really love animals. I love watching action movies because it was romantic. I love watching football because I love sports. I love watching MasterChef South because I love to cook. I love watching Charlie Chaplin because I love his humor. Thanks for watching.